I bet there are lots of songs that you know all the words to. In a song, words are called the lyrics, and today we are going to take some lyrics and form a whole song. We started writing our lyrics in the last songwriting video, and since then, I finished. Let's take a look at all of our lyrics. We will read it together in just a moment, but first, I want to organize it into a song. See the different sections of text? In poetry, we have stanzas. In music, we have verses and choruses. Usually, the choruses will repeat and the verses go in between. Let's pick out our chorus. I think the third section at the end would make a good chorus. It's a little less specific, which can make for a good chorus. That makes this section verse 1 and this section verse 2. These lines are a bit more specific. Let's put our chorus in between the two verses and also at the end. Now, here's our full song. Remember, the chorus repeats, so the song will go verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus. You might have noticed that each section is made up of 4 lines. That keeps things nice and uniform, and it will be easier to fit it to music when we get to that step. Now, let's read all of our lyrics from beginning to end, the whole song. Keep in mind the rhymes at the end of each line. And as I read, it might sound a little bit like poetry, but that's only because we haven't added the music or the melody yet. Okay, ready. Bologna sandwich on a plate. Bologna sandwich, it tastes great. Making one can be such fun. I eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. There's one thing I like to eat when I'm in the mood for a tasty treat. Bologna always tastes so yummy, it gives me a happy tummy. Bread, bologna, cheese, bread. Some people like to use ham instead, but not me. I won't change my mind. My sandwich will have bologna inside. There's one thing I like to eat when I'm in the mood for a tasty treat. Bologna always tastes so yummy, it gives me a happy tummy. Now that we have the lyrics all set, what do you think will be next? That's right. We will set it all to music, and I will see you then. Hey!